Hello, in this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you an easy way on how you can fix PayPal "We stopped this payment to keep you safe." So whenever you try to send a payment, you receive a message saying "We stopped this payment to keep you safe." By the way, this has nothing to do with you. Probably your friend or someone you are trying to send the money to has a new account. Okay, they just created the PayPal account. So you have to go to the verification center or notification in the top right, and then you will be able to provide information that PayPal asks them to. Okay, so that's probably, or they have their account is limited. Okay, so when PayPal thinks that someone you are trying to send money to has some suspicious activity on their PayPal account, they will not allow you to do that. They will not allow you to send money. A lot of people will say, okay, I can send to other people and they cannot send to this specific person. That means they have a problem with that PayPal account. You have to go to their PayPal and then click on notifications, and then you will be able to see exactly what's their problem. Of course, you can send money to someone else, but you cannot send money to the person you are trying to send money now. So that's just one of the reasons why this happens. Okay, so just call them, tell them, hi, did you just create your PayPal account, or if it's new or old account, check if there is any notifications, any email from PayPal. Probably they are trying to verify their account. Okay, so hopefully this tutorial helped you. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I try to reply to every single comment, and see you in the next tutorial.